just to showcase, just to demonstrate a little bit what I've been training on. The reason I'm using gloves is because I want to break the surface of my skin too much, because that delays my training in progress. It's about as hard as I can throw my fists against the walls. I don't care if this keeps my parents up, because they're useless pieces of shit anyways if they're gonna treat their children like this. Dad, you be an asshole to me next time again. I don't care if you're on alcohol, you're drunk, or you're dealing with tannins or whatever in your body. You do some ungrateful, stupid shit like that again, I'm gonna crush your face. I hit pretty goddamn hard. And I don't think you've had any strength training up there, my friend. I don't care if you're my parent. You've treated me like shit for these past few years. At every single opportunity that you've gotten, every time I've seen you. And my soul has had its limit of how you've mistreated me. And I will put up with it no more. I am literally at my soul limit of dealing with you, my friend. And I can't take another insult like this. My body and soul will not allow it. Kawaii Studios, Aurora Live VR, this goes for you as well. You guys have no right to hurt our children like this. To take away their works, to treat them as if they were meaningless. These are people's memories, these are people's messages, and they're irreplaceable. These are moments of our lives. These are our works. This is what we have given our life, our blood is, this is what we have given our life for. Works never deserve to be simply taken away, simply because someone with power deems it. Some people don't deserve to have power because they're not using it responsibly. And we as the people have that power to take that away, simply by withdrawing our support from you. If you will not honor us, we will not honor you. I hope that's fair. Those people, we, your children, have never done an unkind thing to you. Not meaningfully, not like this. To everyone else, please take care of yourselves. Please treat each other well. Please support one another whenever you can. We're all brothers and sisters out here, even though we've might have forgotten, we forget. Even though we forget. We deserve to honor and treat one another with kindness and respect. Respect goes both ways. My parents, y'all do not honor my wishes. You do not honor my words. Or my intentions, or my dreams, or wishes, desires. And perhaps you don't have to. And it's taken me a long time to realize that. You all don't have our best intentions at heart. And that's pretty clear by how little emotional investment you have in our lives.